Call to order of the Trenton Board of Education, February 26, 2026, 5:30 p.m. Stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. Roll call, please.
Gerald Trueheart.
Present.
Denise Johnson. Jean Bowie.
Present.
Addie Daniels Lane.
Present.
Austin Edwards, absent. Yolanda Lopez.
Present.
Larry Traylor, absent. Jeannie Weeklam. Danelli De Leon, absent. We have a quorum.
New Jersey Sunshine Law, the New Jersey Public Meetings Law was enacted to ensure the rights to the public to have advance notice of and to attend the meetings of public bodies at which any business affecting their interests is discussed or acted on. On the rules of this act, the Trenton Board of Education has caused notice of this meeting by publicizing the date, time, and place, therefore posted on the website, the Times, and the Star Ledger. Formal action will take place at this meeting. Our mission statement: all students who graduate the vision for the future, motivated to learn continually, and prepared to succeed in their choice of college or career. Have a motion to adopt the agenda.
So moved. Second.
Properly moved and seconded. Roll call.
Gerald Trueheart.
Yes.
Denise Johnson.
Yes.
Jean Bowie.
Yes.
Addie Daniels Lane.
Yes.
Austin Edwards, absent. Yolanda Lopez.
Yes.
Larry Traylor, absent. Jeannie Weeklam.
Yes.
Danelli De Leon, absent. Motion passed.
And just one more thing. Just want to make sure the board recognizes our strategic planning 3R process. If you could etch these dates into your memory and into your phones, into your calendars. The dates have changed. We're moving it to April, May, and June for our 3R strategic planning process. April 21st, all these meetings start at 6 p.m. April 21st, meeting number 1, May 19th, meeting number 2, June 30th, meeting number 3. The superintendent's office is working on documentation to come out to all the board members and to the public. That should be coming out very shortly, probably by Monday or so.
We have it today.
We have it? Okay. Okay.
Just waiting. Green light.
Right. Okay. All right. So thank you so much. Just want to have those dates. Mr. Superintendent? At 6 p.m. All the meetings are at 6 p.m. at Trenton Central High School. My apologies. All at Trenton Central High School, April 21st, May 19th, and June 30th. Thank you.
All right, good evening, everyone, and welcome on this snowy Thursday, or it's really Tuesday in the week, but it is Thursday. Just want to thank our families and our staff for your support, and our parents and our students. God knows they had to walk through many snowbanks and snow icy sidewalks and all kind of different stuff to get to school. So I want to thank everyone for your support. We know that we had some temporary transportation issues, and I know Mrs. Howard and her team worked with you. I commend our Buildings and Grounds team for getting the schools ready, cleaning the parking lots, and doing our part, and even going above and beyond in some of the city streets and sidewalks, trying to make pathways for students as they walk to school. So just want to say thank you to everyone. I know snowstorms, we don't get to predict the snow. Our job is to respond to it, and I think that our families and our students, our teachers, our staff, our administrators, and everybody responded as we should have to keep our students safe and to get them to school. Currently, I think the update is that we're working on the calendar, which we will announce because we had 3 emergency days built into the calendar. We've used those. One was February 16th. We've used all of the days. Therefore, we do need to make up a day. And we also understand that we're still in February and we have March to go. So we're going to wait a couple of weeks just to see if we get any more snow, because when you get 2 days potentially that you have to negotiate, it's easier to place 2 days. At this time, we're thinking that the Friday before spring break that we have that's potentially off is the day that we will come in person. So I wanted to put that out for the public. So if you have plans, you can put that in your plans. So we appreciate all of your support. So that's all I have. Be safe as you travel, as things freeze and the snow melts. And thank goodness for a warm 57 or 58 degree weekend. So have a good evening.
And just wanted to, we just approved a new paper of record, the Trenton Journal, and Brother Miles, Kenneth Miles, want to recognize you, brother. Thanks you for being here. Thank you.
All right, we're going to go into public participation. So I'll call the names of the individuals on the list, and you all will have 5 minutes to address the board. So the first person is Judy Martinez. Judy Martinez? No? Okay. So the next person is Journey Neal. Journey Neal? Okay. And the third person is Kenneth Miles. Okay, you can address, yeah, you can come forward. There's a little button. Yes, just press the,
Press the button on
yes.
the person.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
He's the paper.
It's right there.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
All right, Mr. Miles, you have 5 minutes. Okay.
Good evening. Thank you for the opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Kenneth Miles, and I'm the founder and publisher of the Trenton Journal, an independently owned and operated multimedia news organization based here in Trenton, New Jersey. I launched the publication to help close information gaps, provide consistent coverage of local institutions, and ensure the residents have access to timely, accurate, and accessible information about the decisions that affect their daily lives. I began my career in journalism as a teenager, and over the years, I've had the privilege of writing for regional and national outlets. Those experiences reinforce my belief that strong local journalism is essential to strong communities, especially when it comes to transparency, public accountability, and civic engagement. 5 years ago, I founded the Trenton Journal with a clear mission to serve as a reliable, consistent source of news and information for the capital city. Today, through our website, weekly newsletter, and social media platforms, we reach an estimated combined audience of 100,000 residents, stakeholders, parents, and educators who are invested in what happens in our schools and neighborhoods. But more important than the numbers is the trust that we built by showing up consistently, covering meetings, documenting decisions, and providing opportunities for local voices, including high school and college students, to learn and contribute to community storytelling. As a journalist, I'm accustomed to being on the other side of the microphone, asking questions and reporting on the work of public bodies. I also understand the responsibility that comes with ensuring the public has clear, accurate information about how decisions are made and how institutions operate. Reliable communication is essential, particularly when families and residents depend on timely updates that affect students and schools. The Trenton Journal operates with a diversified revenue model that includes grants, advertising, and community support, allowing us to remain independent while continuing to invest in coverage that serves the public interest. We publish on a regular schedule, maintain a permanent archive of our reporting, and adhere to standards of accuracy, fairness, and professionalism. I'm here this evening to formally introduce the Trenton Journal and to express my commitment to providing thorough, responsible coverage of the school district and its work. Ensuring that important information is documented, accessible, and visible to community is central to our role as a local news organization. Thank you for your time, for your service to Trenton students and families, and for the opportunity to introduce our work. I appreciate your attention this evening and look forward to continuing to cover the important work of this board. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Miles. All right, so next we are going to go into board discussion and action on the consent agenda. Can I have someone to move the consent agenda? So moved. Second? You have a second?
Oh, I second.
Okay.
Roll call. Gerald Trueheart, absent. Denise Johnson.
Yes.
Jean Bowie.
Yes.
Addie Daniels-Lane.
Yes.
Austin Edwards, absent. Yolanda Lopez.
Yes.
Larry Traylor, absent. Jeannie Weeklam.
Yes.
Danelli De Leon, absent. Motion passed.
Okay, next we're going to move into executive session. So whereas the Open Public Meetings Act codified in NJSA 10:4-6 permits the exclusion of the public from a meeting under certain circumstances, and whereas the Trenton Board of Education is of the opinion that such circumstances presently exist, indicated as follows: any material considered confidential by federal law, state statute, or court rule, any pending or anticipated litigation or contract negotiations to which the board is or may become a party to, and any matter falling within the attorney-client privilege to the extent that confidentiality is required to preserve the attorney-client relationship and allow the attorney to exercise his/her ethical duties as a lawyer. The matter is a HIB case. Now therefore be it resolved by the Trenton Board of Education, County of Mercer, State of New Jersey, that an executive session will be held on February 26, 2026 for the statutorily permissible purposes indicated in this resolution. Be it further resolved that action may be taken by the board when it reconvenes an open session. Be it finally resolved that the minutes of the executive session with regard to the above subject matter shall be disclosed to the public at a later date, and to the extent that the same is not prejudicial to the interests of the parties involved, no longer adverse to the public interest, or does not endanger any individual's right to privacy. Can I have a motion to enter executive session?
So moved.
Roll call. Gerald Trueheart, absent. Denise Johnson.
Yes.
Jean Bowie. Yes. Addie Daniels-Lane.
Yes.
Austin Edwards, absent. Yolanda Lopez. Larry Traylor, absent. Jeannie Weeklam.
Yes.
Danelli De Leon, absent.
Okay,
Adjourn to executive
we're
session.
adjourning to executive session. Yeah. Can I have a motion to dismiss, right? All in favor? Motion to adjourn.
That's all you say. Right. It's no roll call or nothing.
I was thinking of my job.
So it's a voice vote. All in favor?
Right. She knows, she got that written down. Where's my, phone? Oh, here it is. Denise was like, they are talking too much.
I knew Yolanda was going to be sympathetic.
I didn't, because he knew what a banana was. Yes. He knew what a monkey.
Everybody?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, we're returning from executive session. I'd like to have a motion to adjourn.
So moved.
Second.
All in favor? Aye. All opposed? Okay, meeting adjourned.